TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 12 noon Eastern time on Friday, middle of the trading day, and we got markets hanging around positive territory, finishing off quite a positive week for the indices. Dow Jones, record territory, trading up 136 points right now at 27,224. S&P's record territory as well today, up 6 points, trading at 3,006. Nasdaq up 31, trading at 82.27. We get the Russell positive by almost 10 points, or 0.6% in the Russell, trading at 1567. So we start off the midday update, checking out the VIX. Very little volatility premium in a market that just continues to march higher with very little volatility. VIX trading at 1261. Start things off. Let's jump over the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow, 27,000 territory today, and it's been a pretty tame morning, all things considered. I mean, you're talking about a trading range between 27,200 and 27,240. 40 Dow points that we've been bouncing around in since just after the opening bell. Summer trading, Friday in the summer. Quite a week we've had. Not too much news might be coming down the pipeline unless we get a surprise. You just might see these markets kind of sputter into the 4 p.m. close. Nasdaq 100, a little bit of a different story. We got some volatility up and down. At about 10:45, we're trading at 79.20. We've got about a 30-point bounce in the Nasdaq 100 in about the last hour, 79.50 at intraday highs right now. S&P 500, not quite up to the highs that we had early this morning. In the futures, we're up there at 3,012. You're trading right now at 3,010 in those S&Ps. Crude oil above $60, trading at $60.37. Gold contract holding steady at about 14.10 for most of the session. Dipped down there to 14.06 just prior to the market open. And the euro-US dollar trading at 112.53. In terms of what else you have happening out there, the headlines will be the records, as we talked about it, especially with the Dow and the S&P hitting all-time highs, round number highs too, with the Dow 27,000, S&P 3,000. PPI data, producer price index, coming out this morning, 0.1% last month. The expectation had been for flat, so a little bit of heated prices there for sure, and we'll see where that market leads us. Should be an interesting 4 hours for the end of the day. We'll see if we get any action. Stay tuned. We will have some action in terms of we get our man, Basil Chapman, back in the saddle for the Tiger Technicians Hour right now. And folks, if you haven't checked it out, Basil filling in for Tom this week. Check out the opening call on the front page of TFNN. Basil Chapman coming up right now.